Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to insert the SIM card and the memory card in your ZTE A310. To do this operation, you need to open the back cover here. Just lift it up, and as you see, you have two places for the SIM card. It's the nano version and one place for the memory card. So here you have a place for your SIM 1 here, and here you have a place for the second card. If you have, there is a SIM 2 slot. If you have your memory card, just put it in here into the right place. If you have only one SIM card, just put into the SIM 1 slot. As you see, it's very easy. After that, just turn the back cover in, and your phone gonna be connected with your network and see the memory card here. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.